Have you ever wondered how your phone just unlocks with a glance? Or, how a car can actually drive itself? Well, the secret behind all of that is this fascinating field of AI that's literally teaching machines to see. So today, let's dive into the incredible world of computer vision. So let's just start with the big question, the one that kind of frames this whole discussion. Can a machine truly see? And I don't just mean detecting light or a bunch of pixels. I mean, can it perceive and interpret the world around it? The way that we do.
To even begin to get to the bottom of that, we first have to understand what it is that machines are actually looking at.
Okay, so at its core, computer vision is all about training computers to make sense of the visual world from images and videos. But really, the most important part of that definition is the phrase much like humans do. That's the real ambitious goal here, not just to record something, but to actually understand it. Yeah, this really says it all. We're not just talking about cameras recording data. What we're really talking about is building a bridge between our own organic, intuitive way of seeing things and the logical, data-driven world of machine intelligence.
Now, I know this might all sound like something straight out of a science fiction movie, but it's really not. Let's take a look at how computer vision is already all around us. You see, this tech isn't just stuck in some lab somewhere. It is already here, and it's quietly shaping the world all around us. In fact, you've probably already interacted with it a bunch of times today without even thinking about it. And the applications are just so diverse. For autonomous vehicles, it's basically the eyes of the car, spotting pedestrians and reading signs. In healthcare, it's becoming this revolutionary tool, helping doctors analyze scans to catch diseases way earlier than we ever could before. On a factory floor, it can spot tiny little defects that a human might totally miss. It's the magic that makes cashierless stores work, and yep, it's even in your pocket, unlocking your phone with just your face. So, okay, that's the what. But the really big question is, how? I mean, how is it even possible for a machine to learn what is such a fundamentally human skill?
Well, the secret is training. Lots and lots of training. It's almost like teaching a toddler, but just on a massive, massive scale. These AI models are fed millions, sometimes billions of visual examples. Pictures of cats, street signs, literally anything you can think of. They use these systems called neural networks, which are kind of inspired by our own brains, and they just slowly learn to recognize patterns and objects with incredible accuracy.
And the process, it generally follows these 5 steps. So first, an image is captured. Simple enough. Second, it gets enhanced, kind of cleaned up, to make it easier to analyze. Then the AI detects all the key features and objects in the scene. Fourth, it classifies those objects. That's a car, that's a stop sign. And finally, based on all that information, it makes an intelligent decision or takes an action. It's this whole journey from just raw pixels to a really smart response. All right, so we've covered the what and the how. Let's wrap things up by looking ahead to where this is all going, because we're heading towards a much smarter and way more visual future. And the future here is, well, it's profound. Just imagine personalized medicine based on visual data from your body, or smart cities that manage traffic and public safety in real time. And maybe most importantly, think about the new accessibility tools this creates, helping the visually impaired navigate and just experience their surroundings in a whole new way. It's amazing.
So if there's one thing to really get, it's this evolution. Right now, machines are getting incredibly good at seeing, at just identifying objects. But the next frontier, the future, is all about understanding. It's about grasping the context, the meaning of an entire scene. Knowing not just that there's a ball in the road, but understanding that a child might run out after it. That's the huge leap. And that leaves us with this one last, really provocative thought. As machines start to move from simply seeing to truly understanding our world, the real question isn't just what they will see, it's what will they see that we, as humans, have maybe been missing all along?